Glory Outreach Assembly Kahawa Wedani was started several years ago. We have gone through difficult moments, moving from place to place. Finally, God blessed us with some money that helped us to acquire the current land where we are worshiping in a tent. Our vision is to construct a big sanctuary in our current premise, and also to move our head offices there. We are involved in 4 different vision areas. The first one being church growth. In church growth, we have sports evangelism. We have a rollball team that is a champion at the national level. We also have the GOA football club, through which we reach out to young people, and through that ministry, many young people have come to the Lord and to the church. We are discipling them and baptizing them in obedience to the Great Commission. We also have a compassion department. We have started a school in the community where we are helping the children within that community with education, and also is a platform for us to minister to the needs of the community. We have also been able to put up a house for one of our members who didn't have shelter, but today she has a smile after the church, through the help of our partners, constructed a home for her 6 children. Her name is Joyce. We also have the Peace Building and Conflict Resolution Department, through which we do family seminars and also premarital counseling, individual counselings, and every other ministry that is involved in bringing peace. We also have activities in the leadership department. 2 of our pastors are currently in Bible school, being empowered for ministry, and we also have the post-secondary department, where some of our kids from the children's homes are being ministered to through our church in colleges and universities to empower them for their future. And we hope that through the leadership department, many leaders will be raised. We have 2 services with full leadership, and we do leadership seminars, and also we have a very strong admin department that administers both human and financial resources in our church. Last year we were awarded as the best in our financial administration in terms of even tithing to the ministry and also giving for different projects for our church. We have been giving for relocation, and through the generosity of our members, we have been able to raise over 2 million shillings that is going towards the relocation of our new sanctuary that we hope to build in the near future, and with God's provision for the budget, which is over 32 million Kenya shillings. We thank you for partnering with us, and we hope that God will continue to empower you and to encourage you to continue doing what you do, and even much more as we reach out to the community for Jesus. Thank you so much.